Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the fusion of palak and rajma. Mostly people prepare rajma rice or else palak rice, but I'm going to fuse these both and prepare a yummy, delicious recipe. So all we need is rajma. Here I have taken dark brown color and light brown color, and also lima beans, and then I have soaked it overnight. See, as I am squeezing it, they're easily squeezed, so they're nicely soaked for an overnight. Now wash them properly again and add it into the pressure cooker and add 1 full cup of water and wait till you get 5 to 6 whistles. On the other hand, take palak here. Here I have taken 5 strands of palak, and then I have washed it properly and chopped into fine pieces. And then I have added into a bowl and added 1 full cup of water into this, and then I have boiled it for 3 to 5 minutes. Once you boil the palak, you need to strain it directly in the hot water and add cold water or ice cubed water. So if you do like that, you will stop the palak by cooking further and the color of the palak remains green itself. So add chilies 5 to 6 and palak into a mixie jar and put it aside. And then on the other hand, I got the whistles done, and then they are nicely boiled. Now take a bowl in which you're going to prepare the rice. So add all the boiled rajma beans and lima beans into it, and French beans and green peas and capsicum into it. Now you need to saute it for just 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. That's it. Do not overcook because rajma and lima beans are already boiled. So add salt to taste. There is no measurement for salt actually. For me, I have added 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it nicely and just cover the lid and lower the flame and cook it for 1 full minute. That's it. And then on the other hand, I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice over here. I have washed it nicely and drained all the water and put it aside. Now once the vegetables are cooked nicely or sorted nicely, then only you have to blend the palak. If you blend the palak earlier and then you put it aside, then the palak color will change into dark green or sometimes black also. By that color, we won't get the proper color of the rice. So keep in mind, once you're done with the vegetables, then only blend the palak into puree and then directly add into the vegetables bowl. So once you saute it for 1 to 2 minutes of the palak, add 4 cups of water. That is, for 2 cups of basmati rice, I have added 4 cups of water. Here you can prepare the rice with normal rice also. So that is optional. Basmati rice is optional. Once you get a nice boil of this palak water, now it's time to add our washed basmati rice into it. So here I have added rice slowly and then give it a nice quick stir. Once you stir it nicely, you add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder into this. I didn't add any other masalas over here. Trust me, this will not, if you add more masalas, you lose the flavor of rajma and palak. So just I have added a little bit of cumin powder and then ginger garlic paste. That's it. I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee. That gives the nice aroma and flavor to the rice. So on medium flame for just 4 to 5 minutes, you'll get this texture. And then again, you remove the bowl and add a tawa on that and place the rice ball on top of it and simmer the flame and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. See, you will get this texture, and this helps by not getting burnt. That's it. After 2 to 3 minutes after switching off the flame, this will be your palak rice. Yummy palak and rajma rice is all ready. Rajma, palak and lima are all healthy. Do try this healthy recipe and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.